Okay, so hi, I'm going to be singing "Ready or Not" by Bridget Mendler, and here I go. But it's only going to be like part of it in the middle of the song, so it'd be like, what the heck? She didn't sing the first part. So yeah. So I'm going to be singing "Ready or Not." Okay, here it goes. Ready or not, here I come. I like your face, do you like my song? Singing ba-da ba-da-da, ba-da ba-da-da. I will find you, ready or not. Oh, 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 ready or not. Ready or not. Ready or not, here I come, here I come. You like the breath of the air in my lung. You and me dance through the night to the dawn. Ready or not, here I come, for it's on. Thanks guys for watching. I know it wasn't that long, so yeah. Please comment. I know that I'm pretty sure I'm a bad singer on YouTube. So yeah. But it's fine if you say that. I don't really care. I had people say that too. So, bye.